There's a light that grows by the front door. Don't forget the keys under the mat. When childhood stars shine, always stay.
The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for Bannock ID, Oneida ID, Franklin ID, Bear Lake ID, beginning at 4:05 p.m. and ending at 7:05 p.m. Urgent message from the Idaho State Police. Many attacks from pink zombie-like creatures have been reported within the warned areas. This situation that apparently began in the city of Pocatello, where many people who had consumed the heart-shaped chocolates that were dedicated to sharing love on Valentine's Day suddenly transformed into pink zombie-like creatures, and had apparently started maliciously attacking and cannibalizing other citizens, with any victim after being attacked also turning into a pink zombie-like creature as well. In addition, these creatures also appear to have extreme agility and strength, making this situation even more hazardous. As of now, injuries, casualties, and the amount of pink-like zombies have been reported in the hundreds, and this number will continue to grow as this situation goes on. Residents within the warned areas are advised to seek refuge in an underground shelter, a basement, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a building that has as few windows and doors as possible. Be sure to lock and barricade all windows and doors with heavy objects such as boards and furniture from the inside. Ensure you have the following supplies: non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, blankets, pillows, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, toiletries, and a battery-powered hand crank or weather radio with extra batteries to last you the entire duration of this emergency. Ensure you also have a weapon with you to defend yourself and your loved ones from these creatures. Do not eat any heart-shaped chocolates, as you may turn into one of these creatures by doing so, and you will contribute to attacking other civilians. Do not approach any of these creatures, as they will brutally attack and cannibalize you on sight. Do not go outside. Doing so will put your life in serious danger, and you might encounter one or more of these creatures. Do whatever it takes to protect your life. Please continue to monitor local stations and media outlets for more information on this life-threatening situation.